Hello dear fans. What is the highest point in the world? The highest point in the world is Mount Everest. It is located at an altitude of 8,848 m above sea level. Located in the Himalayas on the border of two states, Nepal and China. The mountain itself rises directly on the territory of China, in the Tibet Autonomous Region. Instructions. Step 1. Everest also has the names Chomolungma and Sagarmatha. In 1823 to 1843, there was an expedition and a geodetic service, led by the English engineer George Everest. He was the first to survey and map the Himalayan mountains. He just failed to determine the highest of the 10 mountain peaks. This was done by his student and named the mountain after his teacher. Chomolungma means divine from the Tibetan language, and Sagarmatha is a Nepalese name that translates as Mother of the Gods. Step 2. Everest was formed in the sea over 20 million years ago. The seabed has risen to the surface due to tectonic deformation. This process is still going on, and every year the mountains of the Himalayas rise 5 centimeters higher. Chomolungma has a pyramidal structure. The southern part of the mountain is the most steep, and because of this, there is little snow. Step 3. The mountain is part of the Mahalangur-Kamal Ridge. At its top, there are always strong winds that blow at an insane speed of 50 mph. The air temperature at night drops to -60 degrees Celsius, so there are many glaciers in the mountain. Many call it the Kingdom of Ice and Stone. Step 4. Everest, being the highest point in the world, attracts the attention of many climbers. Thousands of summit attempts are made every year. However, such ascents are characterized by difficulty. Some of those who storm the mountain end their lives in death. This is due to the poor climatic conditions and the high mountain height. Over the past 50 years, about 200 people have died on its slopes. More than 500 people try to conquer Chomolungma every year. The ascent to its summit takes about 2 months. This includes setting up camps in between and acclimatization. During this time, 4,000 lucky people have visited the highest peak of the earth. Step 5. Many begin their journey from the Nepalese capital Kathmandu. From there, climbers travel to the capital of Tibet, Lhasa, and from there walk to the camp, which is located at the foot of Everest. There are many who want to conquer the mountain, but this also requires a lot of money. For example, climbing with guides, a group, security, equipment and training will cost $50,000. Step 6. In 2005, a helicopter was landed on Everest. In 2010, the 13-year-old climber, who is considered the youngest, conquered the mountain, and the first woman to storm Everest was Tabe Junko of Japan in 1976. The very first people to conquer the highest point in the world were Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary in 1953. Since that time, the Himalayan mountain has become a cherished goal for all climbers in the world. Thanks for watching.